Christmas dinner is a special occasion. It brings people together. Families and friends gather to share a meal and celebrate. The heart of Christmas dinner is the food. It's a feast for the senses. The star of the show is almost always the turkey. It's a Christmas tradition, but no Christmas dinner is complete without the sides. Creamy mashed potatoes, savoury stuffing, and tangy cranberry sauce complete the meal. And for dessert, it's all about indulgence. A traditional Christmas trifle is the perfect ending. This layered dessert is a delight for the eyes and the taste buds. Christmas dinner is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of tradition, family, and togetherness. It's a time to create memories that will last a lifetime. A perfectly roasted turkey is the centerpiece of a memorable Christmas dinner. Choosing the right turkey is important. A fresh, free-range turkey is ideal. It has better flavor and texture. The size of the turkey depends on the number of guests. A good rule of thumb is to allow 1 to 1.5 pounds of turkey per person. This ensures there's enough for everyone and maybe even some leftovers. The secret to a flavorful turkey is the herb butter. It's a simple mixture of softened butter, fresh herbs, garlic, salt and pepper. The herb butter is rubbed under the skin of the turkey. This infuses the meat with flavor and keeps it moist during roasting. Roasting a turkey might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. With a few simple steps, you can create a delicious and impressive centerpiece for your holiday meal. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your oven is at the perfect temperature when you're ready to start roasting. Remove the turkey from the packaging and pat it dry with paper towels. Drying the turkey helps the skin become crispy and golden brown during roasting. Next, prepare the herb butter. This flavorful mixture will add moisture and taste to your turkey. In a bowl, combine softened butter, chopped fresh herbs such as rosemary, thyme and sage, minced garlic, salt and pepper. The combination of these herbs and spices will infuse the turkey with a wonderful aroma and taste. Gently loosen the skin of the turkey and spread the herb butter evenly underneath. Be careful not to tear the skin, as it helps keep the meat moist. Place the turkey in a roasting pan and add some chopped vegetables like carrots, celery and onions to the bottom of the pan. These vegetables will not only add flavor but also create a delicious base for your gravy. These will add flavor to the drippings, which can be used to make gravy later. The drippings are packed with concentrated flavors from the turkey and vegetables. Roast the turkey for approximately 15 minutes per pound, or until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh registers 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Using a meat thermometer ensures that your turkey is cooked to perfection and safe to eat. Let the turkey rest for at least 20 minutes before carving. Resting allows the juices to settle back into the meat, making it more tender and flavorful. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a juicier turkey. Carving too soon can cause the juices to run out, leaving the meat dry. Enjoy your perfectly roasted turkey with your favorite sides and celebrate the festive season with a delicious meal. Section 4. The perfect accompaniments: mashed potatoes, stuffing and cranberry sauce. No Christmas turkey is complete without its trusty sidekicks: creamy mashed potatoes, savoury stuffing and tangy cranberry sauce. These classic accompaniments complement the rich flavour of the turkey perfectly. Let's start with the creamy mashed potatoes. For the best results, use Yukon Gold potatoes. They have a naturally buttery flavour that makes them ideal for mashing. Begin by peeling and cutting the potatoes into even chunks. Boil the potatoes in a large pot of salted water until they are tender when pierced with a fork. This usually takes about 15–20 minutes. Once the potatoes are tender, drain them well and return them to the pot. Mash them with warm milk to achieve a smooth and creamy texture. Add butter, salt and pepper to taste. For extra richness, you can also add a dollop of sour cream or cream cheese. These additions will make your mashed potatoes even more decadent and flavorful. Now, let's move on to the stuffing. Stuffing is a must-have for any Christmas feast. Start by sautéing some chopped celery and onions in butter until they are softened and fragrant. This step is crucial as it builds the base flavor for your stuffing. Once the vegetables are softened, combine them with dried bread cubes, chicken broth, and your favorite herbs and seasonings. Some popular herbs for stuffing include sage, thyme, and rosemary. Mix everything together until the bread cubes are well coated with the broth and seasonings. Transfer the mixture to a greased baking dish and bake it in the oven until the top is golden brown and crispy. This usually takes about 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The result is a deliciously savoury stuffing with a perfect balance of textures, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Finally, let's talk about cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce adds a touch of sweetness and acidity to the meal, balancing out the richness of the turkey and other side dishes. To make cranberry sauce, you can use either fresh or frozen cranberries. Combine the cranberries with sugar, orange juice, and a cinnamon stick in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. As the cranberries cook, they will burst and release their juices, creating a thick and flavorful sauce. Stir the sauce occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. The sauce is ready when it is thickened to your desired consistency, which usually takes about 10–15 minutes. Once the sauce is done, remove the cinnamon stick and let it cool slightly before serving. Cranberry sauce can be made ahead of time and stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. These three side dishes, mashed potatoes, stuffing and cranberry sauce, are the perfect accompaniments to your Christmas turkey. They add a variety of flavors and textures to the meal, making it a truly festive and satisfying feast. Whether you're hosting a large gathering or having a small family dinner, these classic sides are sure to be a hit with everyone at the table. So this holiday season, take the time to prepare these delicious accompaniments and make your Christmas dinner extra special. Remember, the key to a memorable meal is not just the main dish, but also the love and care you put into the side dishes. Happy cooking and happy holidays. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the cranberries have burst and the sauce has thickened. Enjoy your festive feast with these perfect accompaniments. Bon appetit. Section 5, a sweet conclusion, traditional Christmas trifle. A traditional Christmas trifle is the perfect ending to a festive meal. This layered dessert is a beautiful and delicious way to end your Christmas dinner on a sweet note. To make a trifle, start with a layer of sponge cake soaked in sherry or fruit juice. Top with a layer of fruit, such as raspberries, strawberries or mandarin oranges. Then add a layer of custard. Repeat the layers, ending with a layer of whipped cream and a sprinkle of grated chocolate or chopped nuts. Chill the trifle for at least a few hours before serving. This allows the flavors to meld and the layers to set. Section 6, Christmas food history, fun facts and trivia. Christmas is a time of joy, celebration and, of course, delicious food. The history of Christmas food is as rich and varied as the holiday itself, filled with fascinating traditions and stories that have been passed down through generations. Christmas food is steeped in tradition and history. Each dish tells a story, reflecting the culture and customs of the time. From the hearty roasts to the sweet treats, every bite is a piece of history. Did you know that roast goose was the preferred Christmas feast centerpiece in England before turkey became popular in the 16th century? Goose was a symbol of prosperity and was often served at grand feasts. The rich, flavorful meat was a favorite among the nobility. Turkeys were smaller and easier to farm, making them a more practical choice for most families. The introduction of turkey to the Christmas table marked a shift in tradition, as it became more accessible to the common people. Today, turkey is synonymous with Christmas dinner in many parts of the world. The tradition of Christmas pudding dates back to medieval England. This iconic dessert has undergone many transformations over the centuries, but its roots remain firmly planted in history. Originally called plum pudding, it contained dried fruits, spices and suet, and was more like a savoury dish than a dessert. The term plum referred to the dried fruits used in the recipe, not actual plums. It was a hearty dish, meant to sustain people through the cold winter months. Over time, it evolved into the sweet, steamed pudding we know and love today. The addition of sugar and other sweet ingredients transformed it into a beloved holiday treat. And what about eggnog? This rich, creamy drink has been a holiday favourite since the 18th century. Eggnog's origins are a bit murky, but it is believed to have evolved from a medieval European drink called posset, which was made with hot milk and ale or wine. It originated in Britain and was initially a drink for the wealthy, as eggs, milk and alcohol were expensive ingredients. Over time it became more accessible and spread to other countries, becoming a staple of Christmas celebrations around the world. Today, eggnog is enjoyed by people of all ages, often spiked with a bit of rum or brandy for an extra festive touch. Section 7. Creating lasting memories. The joy of a homemade Christmas dinner. A homemade Christmas dinner is more than just a meal. It's an experience that brings everyone together. It's about gathering loved ones around the table and creating lasting memories that will be cherished forever. The aroma of a roasting turkey filling the house, making everyone eager to eat, the laughter of family and friends echoing through the rooms, and the shared enjoyment of delicious food. These are the things that make Christmas dinner truly special and unforgettable. This Christmas, embrace the joy of cooking. Gather your loved ones close, put on some festive music to set the mood, and create a Christmas dinner to remember for years to come. From our kitchen to yours, with love and care, we wish you a very Merry Christmas filled with warmth, laughter and delicious food shared with those you love. Don't forget to subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.